me. It's not me, and don't you be the person to get scammed. Absolutely, it is not me. What are you talking about, Gina? Well, I'm going to tell you right now. There is someone that's trying to impersonate Gina Young. And what they're doing is, you will see in the comment section of my channel where someone has my picture and it might say, WhatsApp me. I don't have WhatsApp, okay? So when you see that, you can report that because it's not me. I don't have WhatsApp, okay? And then sometimes it will say, talk with the tech team. That's not me. No, it's not me. Or it might say like something like Gina Young in the kitchen with Gina, text me. Text me so we can talk. That's not Gina Young. That's not the original Gina Young. The original Gina Young is right here. Right here. All right? And also, you might see a message that says something like, you have won. To claim your prize, do this. Don't do this. Don't do that. What I want you all to do is I want you all to, when you see those messages, you know, there's a lot of crazy nuts out there. When you see those messages, it's okay to report it. There's 3 little dots by their page name, you know, 3 little dots. You click on that dot and you report it. And it will give you the option to say, this person is impersonating someone. This person is, you know, it gives you a whole lot of options, okay? You are more than welcome to report that person that's doing that. Because you don't want to think that it's me and it's not me. And you give them your personal information. Do not do that. I would not message them back. How will you know that it's not your channel, Gina? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and answer that. You know that Gina Young has almost 1 million subscribers, right? And the person, let me just show you. One of the people that has made a channel, this is what their name says. Okay. So I'm going to put it up to you. It says Gina's Kitchen, text +. Okay, let me see. Hold on. Right there. Uh-oh. Right here. It says Gina's Kitchen, text, and then it says quick talk with the tech team. Okay, that is confusing to people. You know, and really, they have my picture. I got a Band-Aid on my finger. But they have my picture right there. And so that can be confusing to some people. And I totally understand. But when you click on their page, if you're smart, you click on their page, and you will see that they only have 3 subscribers. You know I don't have 3 subscribers. So that's somebody trying to scam you. And that's why when I first started this video, I said, don't get scammed. It's not me. No, it's not. I will never ask you to text me. Nobody has any means of texting me anyway. No one has my number to text me. I will never ask you to talk with the tech team. I will never ask you to WhatsApp me. And I will never ask you to Telegram me. Okay? So it's all bogus. I have let my YouTube partner manager know about this. And those channels will and has been getting blocked. I'm going to scour through my channel and find them all, and they will be blocked in Jesus Christ's name, okay? So now what I would like for you all to do is please don't pay any of that any attention. And like I said, if you would like to, you report them. When you see that they only have 3 subscribers or 10 subscribers, you can also see when they joined YouTube. It might say that they joined YouTube a year ago. And you know, Gina Young joined 2017. You know, I want you all to use your mind, okay? Don't just go out and message somebody your information thinking that you won something, and the original Gina Young has not sent that message, okay? So now I have reported all that I could. I'm going to keep looking for more to report. And like I said, I have been in touch with YouTube, and they are handling these situations as they arrive. So several of the channels are already gone. Okay, so this might seem kind of scary, but you know, with God on our side, we can conquer the devil. Okay, because that's all that is. It's just some evil people out there, you know, want to use my picture and they want to get your information. Right? So I want you all to be very smart. And it's okay to even contact me. Contact me and let me know, hey, this person is saying this and it's showing your picture and it says that they only have 10 subscribers. Is this you? Number one, you would know that's not me because they only have 10 subscribers, right? And also, like I said, it's okay to message me and say that. And when you message me, let me know what video it's under. And right away I can block them. Right away I can let YouTube know. And YouTube is very, very diligent. They are very quick with it. And next thing you know, their channel will be gone. And really, it's that simple. And so I appreciate YouTube for that. I was actually speaking to another YouTuber the other day, and it was Risa Richardson. And she had said she did a video on the same thing happening to her. And she also let her subscribers know, you know, to do the same thing and to be aware, you know, and if you can, report it when you see it, because it looks like this is a trend that's going around with YouTubers where they're taking, you know, the YouTuber's picture and they're trying to scam people. So don't you be a part of the scam, okay? We're going to move on from that because YouTube, like I said, they're amazing. They're doing a great job with attacking it. As soon as you let them know, they attack it, the people's channel is gone. You know? So I want you all to be very, very, very aware of what's happening. And when you're looking, you know, there's so many people that love to look through the comment section. When you see those little sex sites that's on there, you can press report. Absolutely you can. Because when I see it, I report them and I delete them so they can't come back. Okay? And you can also help by reporting it. And like I said, they give you a whole breakdown of what you can say. You know, this person is doing this. This person is impersonating this. And then I'll say, who is it? And then you could say, in the kitchen with Gina Young. You know, there's a whole, and it's not hard. All you would have to do is click on those 3 dots on their page. Okay? This is happening through YouTube. It's happening with all kinds of YouTubers, and I don't want any of you all to get scammed or be misled. When Gina Young does something like a giveaway, you're going to see me going live. You know, I'm going to be live talking to you. Or a message that's coming to you is going to be, you know, from my email. You're going to know that it's Gina Young. There'll be no mistakes. Okay, so just want to let you all know, okay? Just want to let you all know. And guess what? Today, we're going to have an amazing day today with God on our side. You bet we are. Absolutely we are. Listen, I want to talk about something. So today, what's today's date? November 7th. November 7th, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Gina Young is going live, and guess what I'm doing? I'm going live and I'm showing you all how easy it is to make delicious sweet potato pies for your holiday. You need to know how to make delicious desserts. Everybody's looking for that perfect recipe to bring to their loved one's dinner table for this holiday. And guess what? This sweet potato pie just might be the recipe. So even if you're not cooking with me, you can still come into the live, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. I'm cooking sweet potato pies. It's going to be homemade. It's going to be delicious. The ingredients are in my community post. It's not in the last community post, but the community post before that, I post all of the ingredients of everything you're going to need so you can cook with me. And even if you're not cooking with me, you can still come to the live, take notes. You're going to want this recipe because this recipe for sweet potato pies is outstanding. And the flavor profile is just beautiful, right? You want a nice silky sweet potato pie, right? You want a sweet potato pie that's not too sweet, right? You want it to be just right. Gina Young's going to show you how to do it tonight. We're going to have the time of our lives. When we're done cooking the pies, we're just going to sit and chit-chat for a little bit. And heck, we could chat for a couple hours. But anytime you come to Gina Young's live, we're going to have a whole lot of fun. I can't wait to see you all there tonight. Oh, and guess what? I'm so proud. I don't know if I told you all that Dakota made high honor roll. Yes, he did. He made high honor roll, and he received this beautiful award, and we put it inside of a plaque. I would show it to you, but his school name is in there, so I'm not going to, but it's an 8x10 award. We put it in this beautiful wood plaque, and we have it hanging up. And he said he's aiming to get honor roll again. So this is exciting. He is totally psyched about everything that's going on in school. And he is so excited and proud of himself that he made the high honor roll. And I'm proud of him too. I am so proud of him. So everything else we'll talk about later on tonight. Tonight when Gina Young goes live. Be there or be square, and don't you be the one that gets scammed by those cuckoo nuts out there. I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. And as always, God bless. Thank y'all for watching. Good night.